This is Ian. I'm an experienced Shopify seller, and I'm going to show you how to create a Shopify discount around a certain holiday. Let's get started. So we are in my Shopify, kind of our dashboard. I'm in the discounts area of the dashboard, and you can see that there's already a whole bunch of discounts that are located there. Some of them are automated, some of them are special. What I'm going to do in the top right corner, I'm going to press the button that says Create Discount. And you have a whole bunch of different options here. I just do the classic amount off order. And then what I do is I type in the name of the discount. So first things first, this is for Mother's Day. And usually for a discount code, I'll give it a day that is somehow related to Mother's Day. And in the past, what I've done is just done mom and then the year. So I'm going to put in mom 26. The percentage, what I've done for these discounts is 26%. So it says mom 26, which reflects this year. It's also going to be the amount of the discount, which is a nice discount for mom or anybody getting a gift for mom. Eligibility, I always say all customers. I know that some people, maybe they want to have specific customer segments or something like that. I don't bother with that because I also want to invite people who are new to my store to try out the discount. I don't have any minimum purchase requirements. I found that in the past when I do that, it just slows people down, or people, they kind of hem and haw and they decide not to do it. Sometimes what I do is I will limit to one use per customer. In this case, though, I'm not going to do that because I'm actually sending out a series of marketing messages over like a week and a half. So I want to make sure that people, maybe they'll buy something during the first message, but then, a couple days later, they'll come back and say, oh, I forgot to get that, and they'll add it to their cart. And I'm not going to do any combinations, product discounts, or order discounts, or anything like that. The start date and the end date, that's important. So so today is April the 30th. I am going to set an end date. And usually what I do is, so this year, Mother's Day is on Sunday, May the 10th. Usually what I might do is I could end it on Sunday, May the 10th. But what I often do is I actually give them an extra day to get in their order, because sometimes they may not open their email until a day late or whatever. So I usually do it a day. I usually set the end date a day after the actual date, and then I put it to the very end of the evening, so that will get any stragglers. And then I just press save. And so my discount has been created. Use a shareable link to promote your discount code via email or social media. This discount will be applied at checkout when customers use this link. So I do put the link in my emails and social media and stuff for people to click on, and that should automatically set it up. But I also tell them what the discount is. I'd say use discount code MOM26 during checkout just to make sure that they get it. So I'm going to get shareable link, and it actually gives me a convenient a 2D barcode I can use as well. So all I'm going to do is just copy the discount code, and that's going to go straight into the emails and social media that I'm using around this particular promotion. Anyways, if this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me. I have lots more videos about Shopify, Amazon, etc. And if you have any comments, just leave them below. Thank you so much for watching.